Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm your home for quick tech fixes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's solve problems together.
Hello, guys. In this video, I will show you how to fix Twitch not sending a verification code. So let's get started. First of all, open Twitch and go to your profile, then click on the settings option. Here you will see different options. Select security and privacy. Next, click on add a phone number. Choose your country, enter your phone number, and click on save. Finally, enter the code that is sent to your mobile number. That's it, our work is done. This quick method will help you fix the issue and secure your Twitch account in just a few steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more helpful tutorials.